Wonderful evening, everyone, and very happy New Year 2022. Today at Samava, we are choosing the lucky winners for the giveaway program conducted by Samava Perfumes and Dama Perfumes last week. We are going to choose best 3 or lucky winners now, and we will announce very soon. Before that, I just want to give a brief introduction about Samava Perfumes. Samava as a company established 2 decades back. We are specialized in perfume manufacturing, retailing, e-commerce, and a lot of other perfume related activities. And Dama Perfumes, one of the oldest company in UAE, they are also into manufacturing, private labeling, and they have their own brand to market across the world. So we join hands together and we have organized a giveaway program by end of December, and this giveaway program was huge success because of the participation. We got it from our valuable customers. You can see the number of participation from this board. There are more than 400. There are more than 400 participants here, and we will announce the names very soon. Before that, I want to introduce some of our fragrances from our collection, which we are going to give as a gift to our lucky winners. See, look at one of the other collection from Samava Perfumes named Nahala. This is concentrated perfume oil bottled in a luxury, you can see it here, rose gold bottle. And the perfume content here, I will just mention the major content here: sandal, vanilla, and musk. These are the 3 major ingredients in this attar. Wow, the smell is awesome and long lasting and very smooth. You don't feel that irritating smell which you used to have it for some perfumes or some concentrated perfume. This is very smooth smell, I can guarantee it. Now this is a kind of perfumes we have launched from Samava under this name Nahla. So this is the one we are going to give as a giveaway with our lucky winners. And there is another one. Please have a look. This is Aqua Hayati from Amazing Creation. This is room and linen mist. So this is a low concentrated perfume. We mix with low density alcohol, because this is actually for room and linen mist, means you may be knowing it. This we can use as a refreshener, room refreshener. Also you can use for cleaning your sofa, curtains, cards, any surface which you feel want to have awesome smell. So this is a kind of fragrance, and this fragrance is one of the best selling fragrances in Oriental category, and this is very close and very similar fragrance from YSL Bouquet. This very close match, I can say, and this is one of the top seller, and many of our customers enjoy by using this room and linen mist on daily basis. This is the second gift from our collection. The third one I'll show you here, Muruj from Dama Perfumes. This is a highly concentrated perfumes. They are mentioned here, perfume. That means the concentration of the perfume is extremely high. Normally use 25 to 30% of perfume in concentration in this category. So that's why they mention here perfume. This is a unisex fragrance. Up to you, no matter what gender you are. If you like the smell, go for it. So I can show you a bottle here. So this is the bottle.
Next.
Yes, this smells very fresh. I think there is a vanilla content in it. Moreover, I think it's very good summer fragrance, because the smell like very fresh, and it's very unique smell. You can you feel it like a very unique smell. You can definitely have try it. But I doubt, I feel like this Muruj more suitable for feminine actually, because the fragrance and the color and everything look like perfume for women. It's look like you can have a look. You just show it to a customer so that they will have it. Yeah. So this is one of the collection from their Oriental category and named Muruj by Dama Perfumes. Okay, very good. So these are the 3 perfumes for the first 3 lucky winners. So we will have one perfume from Samawa Attar, second one from Amazing Creation, that is Aqua Hayati. The third one is a perfume from Dama Perfume. So these 3 are going to come under one gift voucher, and we will announce 3 winners for this. After seeing this huge participation from our customers, and I never expect this kind of participation from our customers actually. This is the first time, really this is the first time we are conducting this kind of giveaways, and we hope we will conduct every month or every quarter, because this has become a huge success for us, and there are a lot of positive comments we are receiving, comments and kind of feedback we are getting. It is tremendous. I really appreciated the support that we are getting it from our customers. Really appreciate it. Considering this fact, so I am thinking of giving a 3 consolation prize to our customers, which we are not included in the first phase, because now I see the participation is around 400 customers here. I can see it. So I wanted to give 3 more consolation prize to our customers. Here we go. This is a hair mist. Name Rose Atomic, right? Can you please? Okay. Rose Atomic by Amazing Creations. This comes under Amazing Creation brand, and this is one of the best seller in hair mist category. The advantage of this hair mist is most of the hair mist in the market is alcoholic. Alcohol, is a major ingredient for many hair mist. But this hair mist is non-alcoholic hair mist, which normally do not damage your hair. That is the advantage. So if you look at anyone's hair, so you see, like, if they are using an alcoholic hair mist, the hair will become more and more dry, and that will definitely lead to a next level which spoil the hair. So we do not want that kind of issues with our customers. So we have chosen a different kind of substance. We replace with alcohol, and we made this hair mist without alcohol, so anybody can use, and there is no issue, no harm for directly using to your hair, directly spraying to your hair. This is another hair mist from Amazing Creation brand. The name of the fragrance is Mademoiselle. This is, I think, it is very close or similar match of Coco Mademoiselle. Okay, so people can try it. Those who don't have money to afford high-end brand, then definitely they can go for it. And here we are giving us a consolation prize for the second party, and the third consolation prize is going to be Sheer Chance by Amazing Creation. This is going to be the third consolation prize, and our customers or participants are going to get these prizes very soon. We will definitely show you the name of the party who is going to be the winner to the camera. We will communicate to them, and we will dispatch this item through a third-party courier within 24 hours time. So don't worry, if you are a winner, definitely you will get it 48 hours time, normally 2 working days. So shall we move to our draw? Are you ready?
Yes.
John,
Yes.
Mujib, Isam, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, all my colleagues are here. See, we are going to pick one by one, and we will announce the winner right now.
Let's play some music.
Who want to take first? I have to try, or somebody? John,
Sir.
come and take one. Nala, come and take one. Okay, I will take one. Okay, John, take one. Lucky winner.
Okay. Yeah.
Very small letter. Can read.
Ismail Mick.
Smile and kill.
Ismail Mick.
1 minute, let me check. Yes, Ismail Mick. Yeah, it's not me actually. My name is Ismail. Don't think that. John,
Yeah, I thought it's you.
his name is the first winner. Name is Ismail Mick. Just show it to the camera so that whoever is on live can see it. Hi guys, whoever is live, say hi. The first winner is already announced. His name is Ismail Mick. Yeah. Take this. Nala, come and take.
Muscle.
Yes. Who is that gentleman? or lady?
Basma 522.
Basma is, I think, lady, right? Just
Basma 522.
Basma 522 is the second winner. You can see it through a camera. Whoever is live can look at it. Yeah. We'll announce the third winner. Masood, can you pick one lucky winner from here?
It's Razak MO37. Let's see.
Razak MO37.
Razak MO37 is the third lucky winner. Okay, it's fine. 3 winners is over, and we will choose 3 consolation prize now. So who want to pick? Naseem. Is that? Read it.
Sarah Siddiq 87.
Just see.
Sarah Siddiq 87.
Sarah. Yeah. Sarah Siddiq 87. Okay. Congratulations. Congratulations. All these winners. Congratulations again and again. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. I will take one. Right? Yes.
Can you? Isabella 72.
Isabella 72. Right?
Yes.
See here. Isabella 72, the second winner of our consolation prize. And who want to take the last consolation prize?
Huh?
Take one. Mix and take one. The third. Take that one. Slowly. Keep it here.
SN_AD 1997.
Okay. Again. Yes. Right?
Yes.
So SN_AD 1997.
Yes.
The third winner of our consolation prize. So we have selected 3 winners and 3 consolation prizes now. So total 6. So I want to say congratulations to everyone, all the winners for the prizes, and also I want to thank everyone who have participated this event, and definitely we will come back with more and more giveaways in coming days. Please tune with the Samava's Instagram account, Samava Global. Definitely we will not disappoint you. We will give you a surprise gift also in the coming days. for the next giveaway program. So hope everyone will participate, and thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Cheers.
Save it.